How to complete the financial planning overview. The Financial Services Department will send you an email to explain the financial planning overview process. This overview is required to be completed within the next 24 to 36 hours. This is a required document to begin the financial planning process. This document is in addition to the free application for federal student aid, the FAFSA form. The financial planning overview explains how you will be funding your education. It provides you a variety of different options that you will select on how you'll pay for your tuition. When you first receive this email, please read through it in its entirety so that you understand the full process. When you are ready to move forward with the financial overview, click on the hyperlink in the middle of this email and it will open up a short questionnaire on a different web page. In this questionnaire, you will enter your legal name as it appears on your Social Security card. You will enter your Social Security number and your date of birth. Please be careful in entering this information. Then you will move on to your housing question. Please select which is correct for you. Next question is your prior higher education. If you have attended college before, please make this selection here. Next question is your current marital status. Please select what's correct for you. When you make a selection, an additional question may appear depending on your selection. Please enter that information as well. The term start date. Enter the term that you will be enrolling, and then enter the name of the program of study that you are choosing. Next question is about your enrollment status. Number of courses that you will be attending each term. For an undergraduate student, a minimum full-time subject load is 12 credit hours, which is 3 full 4 credit hour courses. So if you want to be full-time, you would select either 3 or 4. To be half-time, you would select 2. For our graduate students, a full-time course load is 8 credit hours, which is 2 4-hour courses. So to be full-time, you would select 2. To be part-time, you would select 1. Next question is concerning a laptop or desktop purchase. Since you are enrolling into a distance education university, ownership of a laptop or desktop is mandatory. Your mobile devices will not run all applications needed. So if you will be using federal financial aid and you would like to request additional funding to help you pay for a computer or laptop, additional $1,000 can be added. If you would like to make that request, answer yes or no here. Below this is how you'll be funding your education. In the first selection, if you are a military veteran and you plan to use military education benefits to pay for your education, you would simply select yes. And then in the drop-down, select which chapter of education benefits you'll be using. If you are not a military veteran, you would select no. You would move through all of these options, selecting either yes or no in each one. There is a requirement to have at least one of these selected as yes. Move through each one of these options. In the middle of the options, we have added scholarships and grants. These are 3 pages where you can find a variety of scholarships or grants. These scholarships and grants would pay directly to the student. If you are ever awarded a scholarship or grant, you need to notify the Financial Services Department. You have already been awarded a scholarship or grant, you would select yes, and then enter the name of the scholarship or grant and the amount. If you have not been awarded one, you would select no. If you will be using federal financial aid, you would select yes for the completion of the FAFSA. If you need more information about the FAFSA, please watch these videos. To start the process of using the FAFSA, you will need a student aid government account, FSA ID. These are 2 videos on how to do that process. When you are ready to create your FSA ID, you would click on this hyperlink. Once you have your FSA ID completed, as well as any contributor, someone else that will be inside of your FAFSA, they would have to create an FSA ID as well. You can begin your FAFSA. Here are a variety of different videos for you to watch or web pages to research if you have questions. When you're ready to do your FAFSA, you will click on this hyperlink. Please be mindful of the federal school code that's going to be needed depending on if you're enrolling into American National University of Virginia or American National University of Kentucky. When you're ready to start your FAFSA, click on this hyperlink. It will open up another web page to the FAFSA. Since you are enrolling after July 1st, 2025, you only need to complete 2526 FAFSA. You would log in here to do so. When you are finished with your FAFSA, please take a screenshot of your completion. When you come back to your financial overview, we will ask you to upload a copy of either your confirmation page or a screenshot of your completion. The screenshot will have your student aid index and your data release number. To add this to your financial overview, you would click Add File, and the web page would go to wherever you store your photos or your screenshots, your camera, your gallery, or photo library. We'll add the document here once you select it. When a red X appears, you have added a document successfully. If you've added the wrong document, simply click on the red X and it will disappear. The next step in the process is completing a master promissory note. Master promissory note is needed for anyone who has taken federal student loans. If you have questions about the master promissory note, please watch this video here. In selecting a college, please make sure you enter depending on which location you have enrolled in. To start the master promissory note, you click on this hyperlink. It opens up into another web page. And then you will begin the process depending on if you are an undergraduate or graduate student, and you would log in to the right. Once finished, please take a screenshot, come back to your financial overview, and you would add that screenshot here. That red X will appear. Final step is your loan entrance counseling. To complete your loan entrance counseling, you would click on this hyperlink. It's going to take you to that web page, and you would begin here, again, as an undergraduate or graduate student. Take that screenshot because we do need you to add that to your overview. If you have questions about your counseling video, watch it here. Almost finished. So once you have everything finished, you are ready to move forward in the next process through the financial department. Your admissions representative will let you know when you have met all the admissions requirements and you're ready to move to the next step. To schedule your financial planning meeting, please wait until your admissions representative lets you know. You will schedule that through the university portal. When you are making that selection, please be mindful that you are scheduling with a time that is available for you to meet. The meeting will take approximately 60 minutes. You will be signing several enrollment documents, and we will talk thoroughly through the financial aspect of your enrollment. When you're scheduling that appointment, please pay attention to the time zone. It will not necessarily be the same time zone where you are at. So make sure you understand the time of your appointment. When you are finished with this overview, please sign and date it and hit the send. If you are missing anything that's not attached or you didn't answer yes to a certain area, it will take you back to that spot and then make that selection, then come back down and sign and send. Once it is finished, you will be through with the financial process of the overview, and you will please notify us that you have completed your overview, either by email or by text, so that we are waiting for it to come to the university. We will reach out to you if we have any additional questions. We are excited that you are part of our community, and please let us know if you have any questions or how we can assist you.